Lily, don't just stand there. Go wash the dirty clothes immediately.
The laundry will be done in a minute. Dinner will be ready in a minute.
From now on, we must love Lily just as much as Leo.
Grandma, I bought you this brand name jewelry box. You can put all your gold bracelets and necklaces in it.
My dear grandson, you're so thoughtful and sensible. So much better than your thoughtless cousin.
Grandma, I knitted this sweater for you with my own hands. It'll keep you warm in winter.
How could I wear such cheap, shabby clothes? Don't dirty my sofa. Take it away at once. Lily, don't just stand there. Go wash the dirty clothes immediately.
It's okay. Lily, Grandma just didn't see it clearly. What matters is our love and thoughtfulness.
Help!
Grandma! Grandma!
Stop making such a racket. What's Grandma pretending about now? So annoying.
Grandma! Grandma! Don't be afraid. I'm coming to save you. Hello? Is this the hospital? My grandma had a heart attack and collapsed on the ground. Please come quickly and save her. Grandma, don't be afraid. The ambulance is coming right away. Hold on a little longer. You'll be okay.
We're almost at the hospital.
Fortunately, the rescue was timely, and she's out of danger now.
It's all Grandma's fault. Grandma will love you dearly from now on.